This is the BF3 Razer Blackwidow Ultimate Edition keyboard.
As you can see here, the keyboard's really low in its brightness, and here's me flicking on my fix just to show the difference. Doing this repair will keep the LEDs permanently on.
As you can see, the keyboard's lit up quite well. I've got the desk lamp on and the room light on, and you can quite clearly see the keys lit up. This is how you get it when you first unbox it. But sometimes you get a problem where it goes so dim, even on the highest setting in the firmware that comes with it, Synapsis or whatever it's called. You can't see the backlight on the keyboard. So here we go. I've got a little bit of...
First of all, we remove the caps on the back of the keyboard that hide the screws from here, and also the little plastic pads in the corners cover up screws. Next up, we get a butter knife or something similar, and we run it around the edges of the board, running it along the groove, and it will delatch itself. Then pull it apart, and voila, the case will come off, the top of the case. Here we are zooming in on the part that you need to repair. At the moment I've got a dollop of solder showing you which transistor is the bad one. It's on the bottom left hand corner, right here, just there. Here's a simple diagram of where you need to solder onto the transistor. Here I've soldered on the pin onto the transistor. Here I'm just showing you the location of the pin that I've just soldered onto the transistor. And then we need to run a wire across the board over to a negative terminal, which is actually the back of the shield housing of the USB, which provides negative for us. Here's a close-up of the soldering onto the negative point and over to the terminal of the transistor. Just tuck the wire under the shield, just keep it out of the way, but don't get it caught in the little hole there as I have done. Once you've done your soldering, whack your case all back together and you're done.